how to identify nightmare clients from hell. So here's like, what's the difference between them? First of all, nightmare clients don't really pay you well, while dream clients pay you handsomely. Nightmare clients look at you like you're 1 in a million, while dream clients look at you like true specialists. Nightmare clients tend to control everything you do, while dream clients, they give you autonomy and freedom. And, as you can see, basically nightmare clients are bad people who are unreliable, who don't respect you, who like blame you when something goes wrong. And they're usually just unpleasant people to be with. And there's a lot of these people who are business owners, unfortunately. A lot of them are narcissists or sociopaths or psychopaths even. But if you can watch out for these things, it becomes way easier to spot them. And like, how do you know when you've identified the dream client? Well, they pay you well, they respect you, they trust you, they view you as an expert, they're charismatic as well, and they make you feel appreciated. Maybe this is the best way to spot nightmare clients, is to like, nightmare clients make you feel like a bad person. It's a terrible feeling, like as if you were at fault for something. And dream clients, they make you feel appreciated. And, that's what I have with the Improvement Pill. For example, he's also one of my clients, and we've been working together for like 1.5 years at this point. And he appreciates me. He knows that I'm the expert when it comes to copywriting. He gives me autonomy to test new stuff out, to come up with new email ideas or other types of promotion ideas or something, content ideas even. And he makes me feel appreciated, which is definitely a good thing to do. And I know for a fact that a lot of people here will also know, like if they've worked with a nightmare client before, they will know from now on like how to actually spot them. So the thing is, if you want to work with dream clients, you also have to like be a professional yourself. And I really like this model from a very famous and really good copywriter called John Carlton. If you want to look it up on Google after this presentation, I encourage you, because he's more advanced, but like it's really one of the best copywriters out there. So he said that basically the pro code means is that you are where you said you'd be, when you said you'd be, having done what you said you'd do. And also, in some cases, you can be the adult in the room with clients. So what does this mean? It basically means that if you promise people something, then you do it. And you do it how you promised it, and you do it by the time you promised it. And I also always respect this when I'm working with clients, because I feel like I'm a professional. And that's why they value me at all. Because, to give you the truth, like 80% or 90% of people don't respect this. 80% of freelancers definitely don't respect this. And that's why, most clients are afraid to hire freelancers, because they also are afraid to get scammed. Like, it isn't just freelancers who get scammed, tons of clients who get scammed. Believe me, do believe me. And if you can do just these 3 simple things, these 4 simple things, then you're already way ahead of your competition immediately, seriously. So that's what you have to do. And then if you do this, like, clients are going to notice it, and they're going to, like, if they're nightmare clients, they're not going to like you because like you are a professional and they're not the professional in that case. But like, it's in your best interest to like get away from nightmare clients. But good clients are going to like identify you and value you and hire you for more.